Hello girls! As I promised in the previous video, today I will share an unpacking and review of the materials I use for holiday nail art. Specifically, I will be showcasing the New Year collection of acrygels and gel polishes. And of course, we'll create a design so that it can be seen from space, and I'll let you in on a secret. It turned out quite impressive. So, let's get started. The first ones are the acrygels that my girls absolutely adore. These are the basic colors, and before the new year they usually serve as a background. I create bright designs for the girls, specifically using these camouflage gels. These two acrygels have truly become my favorites because their consistency is perfect. They have such beautiful sparkles that it's simply stunning. Also, with these gels, creating a gradient looks exceptionally beautiful. It turns out very impressive. These are 3 top coats, 2 with a nail dust effect and 1 neon, the one that glows at night, and I got them for the first time. I think I won't regret it. I swatched them on my hand so you can see how beautifully they play. Of course, the camera doesn't capture all the beauty. Next, I took gel polishes from a new brand, 2 reflective ones. One is gently peachy, I would even say more golden. It applies and dries beautifully but is not too dense. The silvery one applies easily in 1 layer. As for the golden one, you need to apply it in 2 layers if you want an intense color. But they both sparkle just like cosmic wonders. Next, I have reflective colors from the Saga brand. They are thick and very dense, making it a pleasure to create a French design with them. It seems to me that it's not just a gel polish with glitter, but rather glitter with gel polish because there are so many of them. The second color is a reflective crystal shade, which gives a really cool depth effect. And my highlight is the color from the latest collection. Since 2024 will be the year of the green dragon, I chose a dark green shade. Look at how splendidly it sparkles on my glove. There are a lot of glitters and it's also reflective. Of course, I didn't pass by the bullions because I want to create a design with them in the next video. So, get ready for the next masterpiece. I got them in 2 colors, cold silver and gold. Girls, I'm just overflowing with emotions right now because I found a powder I've been dreaming of for a long time. It's the Aurora powder. I specifically wanted one where the particles are larger than in regular powders, and I don't regret it. Today we will definitely try it in our work. And I also bought 2 packs of volumetric Christmas pie greenies for designs. I've never done volumetric designs for myself, so today I want to try how these little things will look. Well, let's get to work. I've already removed the old coating, done a combo manicure and applied the base. Now I'll do the standard nail reinforcement with builder gel. I purposely chose a milky gel so that the powder and design are clearly visible. By the way, on the day the video was released on YouTube, I went to the store to buy another jar of this milky acrylic gel. Of course, I also bought 4 more jars of acrylic gels, also from the New Year's collection. If you're interested and want me to show them, write to me and I'll definitely showcase them. I do the leveling in the standard technique. Those who have watched my videos already know the drill, but if you're new to the channel, welcome. I recommend subscribing because I already have a lot of information about coatings and manicures, and I hope you'll find something new and useful here. After leveling, we cure the gel in the lamp for at least 1 minute to ensure everything dries well. This is how the nails look after the gel coating. Before the design, it's essential to remove the dispersion layer from the gel to avoid any conflict between the materials. With the liquid acrylic gel from the new collection, I create a stretch from the tip to give the nail a more wintry appearance. As I mentioned, these gels are excellent for creating gradients. These sparkles give the nail a crystalline look. Some have told me that I use a not very convenient brush for working with gel, but I'll tell you that this is one of my favorite brushes for all my practice. I don't change brushes 100 times for one manicure. I use this brush to apply the base, gel, and even for leveling, so I highly recommend you try it. I think you'll like it. This is how the color smoothly transitions from one to another. I think this is already a full-fledged design for the new year. Adding a few snowflakes with stamping would be superb, but we still want to try the new powder. I'm covering the nails with an ultra-thin layer of non-dispersion top coat because the powder adheres better to hot top coat. In this case, I cure the top coat for 30 seconds. We're bringing our powder back into the studio and let's see what comes out of this. I'll try applying the powder in two ways, using an applicator and my finger. Let's see if there will be a significant difference, if any. It's a pity that no matter how good the camera is, it still won't capture all the magic. And yes, this is the effect I envisioned. And I got that Aurora that I had in my mind. I'm very pleased with the result. Yes, there is indeed a difference. Areas where I rubbed with my finger turned out denser, but there's one drawback. I can't reach the corners or side rolls with my finger, so I still have to touch them up with the applicator. How do I seal the powder? I simply file the edge, brush off the excess with a brush, and cover it with the same non-sticky top coat. There are rumors about sealing the powder, such as using a base coat first, then a top coat, or starting with a top coat with dispersion and then a top coat without dispersion, or using a special top coat for the powder. In general, there are as many opinions as there are people. However, I cover it simply with a non-dispersion top coat, and that's it. After drying the top coat, I wipe off the excess powder from my fingers, and this is actually another idea for winter manicure. However, as I mentioned earlier, I want to try volumetric design, therefore I'm choosing the figures that I like. It's an experimental approach and I'm curious myself to see if the figures will stay in place. So don't throw stones at me, I'm just trying it out. I place small drops of top coat, put the figure and cure it with a UV lamp to prevent anything from sliding. Then I'll finish curing it in the lamp. I don't know if volumetric designs will be popular for me this year, but it's worth a try. Usually, before the new year, my light reflective gel polishes and designs with glitter fly off the shelves at the speed of light. That's why I stock up on them every year and use them all the way to the last drop. On the second finger, I decided to attach glass beads. Over all the figures, I also apply a layer of top coat to smooth out the edges and prevent hair from getting caught under the decor. And here is the finished result. I really liked how we created the gradient and the powder fits perfectly into it. As for the volumetric design, personally, I would say it's a matter of taste. Honestly, I've been wearing this manicure for 5 days and nothing has come off yet. But such decor catches onto everything. What do you think? Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel not to miss anything. Well, I won't say goodbye for long until the next beauty encounter.